So we're going to talk about crossing stuff off of a list. All right. So believe it or not, there's all kinds of research, and this can be a very impactful tool mentally to help you feel like you're accomplishing things. So there's only a couple caveats though. Number one, don't make your list more than three things. All right. Three
Ooh.
things. So if you make a giant list, go through it and write on a different list the three things that you're going to do that are going to make you feel like you accomplished something today. All right. And once you do that, what you're going to do is rip up the other list and only focus on those three things. Okay.
Uh,
And the reason why is because there's a lot of power in crossing things off a list, but typically most humans will go after the easy stuff that will make them feel unaccomplished, right? They'll be like, "Oh man, I got this big project to do, but hey, let me clean my desk real quick.
huh.
Let me go grocery shopping. Oh man, I need to order that thing online. Let me do that, And they'll get like a little dopamine hit, but it won't last, right? Because it wasn't the thing that really meant something to them, that they needed to clear off their mind, or they have a deadline, something of that nature. So again, make your list, go through it, pick three things, write it on a different piece of paper. There are the three things that you're going to be like, man, if I got this done today, I feel like this is a great day. And then take the other list, rip it up, throw it in the trash, and start another list the next day. Do the same thing over and over again. All right. Because if it really is important, it'll be on the list those first day, those three things, or the next day when you do the next, right? So that's the big thing in the psychological aspect of crossing stuff off a list. It works, but you got to make sure you're picking the right stuff.